project level isolation. So I come back to this one a bit. Okay. All right. So in order to talk about project level isolation, this is important to understand like what are the concepts that we have in AgenticFlow. So before we only have a concept that workspace where your plan will tie to workspace. So every agent or workflow, workforce, library connection is really connected directly to workspace. And we're actually having another way to like do a more granular breakdown to manage, and also maybe adding your team member into isolated project that maybe marketing team will not mix it up together with HR team. So I think that is a valid feedback from not only one or two, but many of you in Discord. So thanks for the feedback, and we listen to that, and we make it happen. So right now you can go and you can create a project A and project B in your workspace. So if you go log into AgenticFlow, you will see that in the top right hand side, it has been replacing with like this arrow. When you click on the arrow, you will see that in Sean workspace, you can create like a general project, which is like the default project of everything that you have done before will be in general. But underneath that, if you are the owner of the workspace, you can create more projects. And then you can switch between project. And if you go you click on this button, new project, then it will lead into the setting and project page where you can create a new project. You can invite other people in the workspace into a certain project, and you can give them role and responsibility as well. So this feature is available for all of the team or business plan or equivalent to tier 3 and tier 4 customer at no cost. So I think that is something that we have built, and we hope that this is something useful for you. So let me open on this one so that I can show you with what exactly is it about. So you go into here, you will see that there's a top right hand side. You scroll down, you will see that these are two projects. Let me go into agent first. So in agent, and you see that this is a project general, and I have all of the agent in his project general. But if I would like to switch into test, and then go here again, then agent is going to be empty, just because this project having no other agent, and it's going to create totally isolated environment where you can create the client project A, project B, and project C, and this project is actually affecting everything that you have on the left hand side here, including like agent, workflow, multi-agent, library, connection, and MCP server. So that is going to help you to isolate the data, and also you can even like inviting your customer into a certain project so that they can collaborate and they can work together with you. And perhaps that, because the beautiful about this one is that it will sharing the same the bucket of the plan that you currently have. So it means all of the project under your workspace will sharing on this same pool, and you will make the much more efficient use of the credit that you have purchased. Yep, I hope that this is something that's helpful. Okay. So I'm continue on this one. So you can go into this one, and then you can search for project, and then you can like switch between different projects as well. And each of the project is actually totally isolated between like multi-agent, agent, and workflow, so that you can share and also invite team member. So you can go into here by member in here, and then you can go into this fast, which is project, and then you can actually technically remove member, or you can click here, choose a member, and adding them as, for example, like admin in your project and so on. And also this is also one step ahead about what we calling is the isolation of the project.